The wind and the west let a telltale sound, and a wave broke over the railing. And every man knew, as the captain did too, 'twas a witch in November come stealing. The dawn came late and the breakfast sat away, when the gales of November came slashing. When afternoon came, it was freezing rain in the face of a hurricane west wind. When supper time came, the old cook came on deck, saying, "Fellas, it's 2 up to feature." At 7 p.m. a man actually caved in. He said, "Fellas, it's been good to know ya. The captain wired in and he had water coming in. The good ship anchor was in peril." And later that night when the lights went out of sight, in the wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald. Does anyone know where the love of God goes and the waves turn minutes to hours? The searchers all say they would have made Whitefish Bay. They put 15 more miles behind her. They might have split up or they might have capsized. They may have broke deep and took water. And all the remains are the faces and the names of the wives and the sons and the daughters. Lake Huron rolls, Lake Superior sings in the rooms of her ice water mansion. Lake Michigan steams like a young man's dreams. The islands and the bays are for sportsmen. And Carlinville, Lake Ontario, takes him where he can send her. And the iron boats go as the menders all know, with the gales of November remembered. In a musty old